Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 Tech Edition. So this car has some fantastic features, including park assist, 3D navigation, front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this, you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done 3,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.